Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Wrenchin with Dad. I'm Matt.
Levi.
Roman.
And today we are going to fix this railing that Levi broke the other day. Gonna have kind of Levi reenact what happened. Roman, you want to come stand over here?
Yeah.
And so basically, railing goes up like this. Levi was coming on down the stairs.
And tapped it
And it just kind of broke. So, yeah, just cheap hardware here. So we're going to just replace both of these real quick. And yeah, so got the impact with a T25. That's what these are. I'm not sure if we're going to reuse this hardware or the hardware that came with the new brackets, but Levi is going to go at it. Use the impact. All right, go ahead and remove the other one. We don't have a ton of room to work. It's a, in a stairway here, but all right. Remove this. Now we need to switch our bits over to Phillips. Should be the size we need. So go take the screws out of the bottom of that railing there. And since you're right there, let's put the new one on. That's the new hardware. And are you going to be able to do that?
Yeah.
Or do you need someone to hold it for you? Okay. Just make sure your bracket's facing the correct way. Oh, no. Here, watch out. Watch out, Roman. So you can look at your other one down here. Okay, so let's see your bracket. Okay, so it's going to go like this. Okay,
Alright.
So I'll hold it and you start your hardware. So you already got holes from the previous one, so let's go ahead and drop that guy in and make sure you change the direction of your impact. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, and don't give it all the beans. Yep. Yep. And then put this one in. There you go. All right, now we're going to do the same thing down here. So go ahead and pull that one off. Roman, you want to come stand over here and hold on to this?
Yeah.
So it doesn't move?
Mm-hmm.
So come down one more step.
Screw that one out.
Yep, take that one out. that for you. Change the direction of your drill. Can't see where the hole is.
Same.
Well, loosen that up. You put that in too tight.
Alright.
That's good. Nope. Put your other screw in. Is there more than one hole in here? Yes. Take that out. It's all right. So there's that second hole there. Now put it in just a little bit. Now take your other screw and put it in there. It's fine, you had it. Oh, keep it now. Suck them in. Okay. All right. Now we're going to put them in the wall. So you got your 3 screws here. Okay. How the heck did we do that? We went in the wrong set of holes up here. All right, let's try again.
Uh-oh.
See? Things like that happen. Okay. That's good. There we go. Careful you don't go in too hard, you'll strip it.
Yeah.
There you go, that's good. Alright, now we're going to try this again.
Nope.
Nope, that's the right length. We just need to adjust this. So all I want you to do, Levi, is just put the bottom one in. Okay?
Yep.
Do not go in very tight. Okay, that's good, that's good. Now go put the bottom one on over here. Got to twist it. There you go.
Yay, we fixed it.
Almost. Okay. Now go ahead and snug this one up here. It's fine. Yep. We'll talk about that in a second. Alright. So, as Levi noticed, these top two screw holes don't line up because the older bracket was a little bit taller, and that's okay. We're just going to make new holes, and we'll repaint and patch this up at another time. But for right now, it is fine. So I will show you one. Basically, you're going to just do the same thing, but you're actually drilling into the drywall. You're just going to start it slow and drive it in, just like that. If you're going into a stud, so it's going to take a minute. You know, you gotta give it some pressure. There you go. Now do the other two down below. Does that bracket look straight?
We're fixing
It's almost there. It can line up with them.
Let me see. So yeah, these ones actually do line up. So go ahead and just ram those in. I'm not sure why this top one, that must have been two different brackets. Yeah. So here's the top one, here's the bottom one. They were definitely two different size brackets, so that's why our holes are different, but like I said, it's alright. We'll fix that at a later date. Alright, they all snugged up?
Yep.
Alright, give it the old walk up and down test. Roman, you go try it. See if it works. Is it working?
it. Yep.
Perfect. Alright. Come back on up here, guys.
Daddy,
So,
can
that-
I say thanks for watching?
Yes, you can. So, but that about does it. You know, Levi did a successful job of replacing the handrail bracket, so good job, Levi. Till next time, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. All right, go ahead.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.